Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add privacy policy onto your Shopify footer. So you want to start from the dashboard here, and the place you want to go to first is you want to go to settings. On settings, just click on it, and you want to find the privacy and policy section, which is down here, policies. And there's a couple of policies you can set. The first one you want to do, of course, is privacy policy. Right now, it's toggled to use automated policy, so you can keep policy in sync with store settings and latest Shopify template. You can make your own store policy if you want. Like you can change it up as much as you want. If you want to change it up, there's like a lot of section here. It's like Microsoft Word. You can even change how it's aligned if you care about that. But I'm going to use an automated policy, so it's easy and you can read through this, see if it works for you. But once that's set, you'll see that there's a logo here called automated. I'm also going to set the other policy as well so it's easier. So there's some surface as well, which it says no policy set. I'm going to just click on this insert template and I'm going to click on publish. And I'm going to ship in policy as well. There's no template, so I'm just going to do something simple like ships securely, something like that, right? And I'm going to click on publish. And there's also contact information which you need to fill out. You can just do an insert template here. I'm just going to click on publish as well. And now all of our policy is set. Now we just need to turn it on the footer of our online store. So back on the dashboard, you want to go to the sales channel and you want to go to online store. On online store, you want to click on the themes that's currently active. So this one, current theme, and you want to click on this customize and just wait for it to load. Now you want to go to the footer section here, right? And as you can see, once you've set all of your policy, it'll automatically show all of the privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service right down here, which you can click as well. So something like this. See, the privacy policy is now on the footer. If you want to see more how it's turned off, I'm going to go back to the homepage real quick. I'm going to go to footer. I'm going to click on this. And if you don't see the privacy policy, you just want to click on the footer and you want to scroll down on the left-hand side here. And you can see policy links. If you don't see it, it might be turned off. So it'll be like this. If you don't see it, just find the policy links option here and you can just turn it on just like this. And once it's turned on, you can click in each of these policies and it'll redirect you to the respective policies from the link on the footer down there.